Exposing the reality behind the Facebook ban in Papua New Guinea, was it about safety, or something more? It all started under the new Counter-Terrorism Act, 2024. The PNG government temporarily blocked Facebook, citing concerns over hate speech, misinformation, criminal threats, and incitement to violence. This wasn't entirely unexpected. Prime Minister James Marape had hinted at such measures just a month earlier, and in December 2024, the government proposed mandatory digital IDs for social media users. But the ban didn't last long. Amid public outcry and strong opposition from MPs and human rights advocates, Facebook was restored. Critics slammed the move as tyrannical and an abuse of human rights. The informal sector and online businesses felt the economic pinch, with many users resorting to VPNs to bypass the ban. So, what's next? The government is still pushing for stricter social media regulations. Experts are warning this could lead to more censorship and government overreach. Is this a case of protecting national security, or a step toward political autocracy? This story is far from over, so make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated. What do you think? Should governments control social media, or is this a slippery slope to censorship? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more insights.